Yeah, Russell's collar was loose. It slipped off at the intersection. So don't pull him too hard because he could escape. It's a really nice work van. It's a Mercedes. This is where they live. It's a nice house. Very well maintained. It's also a split level. Wow, look at that pumpkin display. That is fantastic. Great job, guys. There's a plane. It smells like food here. Oh, there's a doggy. Oh, it's a Portuguese water dog. It's a girl. I think her name's Daisy. She's going nuts. She's just so much energy. She usually hops on Russell. It's gonna slip off of him. It's really loose. You need to tighten it. Oh.